Fish curry is a delicious and healthy dish that you can easily make at home. Here is a recipe that you can follow. Ingredients: 500 g fish fillets, any firm white fish, such as cod or halibut. 1 onion, chopped. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and minced. 2 green chilies, chopped. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tomatoes, chopped. A quarter cup coconut milk. 1 tablespoon fresh cilantro, chopped. Instructions: heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and coriander seeds and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add onion, garlic, ginger, and green chilies to the skillet and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, and salt to the skillet and stir to combine. Add chopped tomatoes to the skillet and cook for 5 minutes or until the tomatoes have broken down and the mixture has thickened. Add the fish fillets to the skillet and spoon the tomato mixture over the fish. Cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. Stir in the coconut milk and chopped cilantro and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Serve hot with rice or naan bread. Enjoy your homemade fish curry.